tornado warning cell. Very tight rotation with a line that's coming up. It might influence the cell to drop a tornado any second now. Tornado warning cell, we got
Funnel. It's funneling.
Oh yeah.
Oh, big time funnel.
Tornado on the ground.
Hello everyone, this is Storm Chaser Drew Brown. Right now I'm in DeWitt, Iowa, where we have an enhanced risk for potentially some tornadoes today, as well as damaging winds and hail. Main concern will be the damaging winds, but we could get a few tornadoes today if we can get a few discrete cells, especially focused in eastern Iowa and northern Illinois. But we have a lot of uncertainty right now. We have ongoing rain, as well as a lot of cloud cover present currently at this time. We need that to clear out. We need instability to ramp up. So we have a lot of questions in regards to today, but if we can recover, we could have multiple supercells that could produce tornadoes, especially a few long tracked, if not some strong tornadoes that could be possible across this region. But once again, it's very conditional if we can clear out this cloud cover and rain as well. So once again, we will be live with Evan on YouTube covering this all, and stay safe guys. We got a long day ahead later on today.
Well, all right, enough of that.
Entering the warm sector just south of the warm front on our way to Tipton, Iowa. We have severe weather already ongoing in southern Iowa. Several supercells have already formed. We are hunting them down.
Hello everyone, this is Storm Chaser Drew Brummel. We are currently underneath a tornado watch in Tipton, Iowa right now. We're waiting for several severe thunderstorm warning cells off to our southwest that are racing off to the northeast. We are expecting the tornado threat to rapidly ramp up as these cells move into the northeast and tap into the better shear, especially that low-level jet as they'll kick into gear as the day goes on. We have that instability already building. 2,000 surface cape already present with these cells. Severe weather is continuously ramped up. These cells are really getting going, and they're moving off to the northeast and will impact portions of eastern Iowa as the cells continue to move off to the northeast. So make sure you guys are staying tuned to our live stream. We are currently live with Evan right now on YouTube. And once again, stay tuned, stay safe to any severe thunderstorm warnings as well as tornado warnings.
Tornado warning.
Got a tornado warning?
Yep, it was right where that cell I was talking about,
yeah.
right by Clio.
Time to blast.
Literally. That is our storm, guys.
Off in the distance.
We're not going to see any crazy structure. We're still pretty far away from it. We're about,
I don't know, 30 minutes.
it might be finally making a right turn.
Oh,
Tornado warning.
there we go.
No. No.
Oh man, that's rough.
No. I say no.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of that.
Let's turn around.
Head
Darn
back to the highway then, I guess.
Oh, funnel. It's funneling.
Oh yeah.
Oh, big time funnel.
Yeah, there was a huge funnel on this thing. We saw it as we were coming around. Get back in there.
This is Storm Chaser Drew Brummel. Right now we have a tornado warning cell. Very tight rotation with a line that's coming up. It might influence the cell to drop a tornado any second here. Very intense wall cloud right here. Tornado imminent. At any minute here, we're going to keep an eye on this cell as it continues to move off to the northeast.
It's
trying. Oh yeah, that's 100% rotating, guys. It is hauling too. Yep, I'm getting a video quick. Make this quick.
Go for it.
Oh, it's windy.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's definitely lowering. It's definitely lowering. Look at that. Look at this guy.
It's about to touch down here. Please take shelter if you're in this tornado warning.
That wind is something else, guys.
Oh, it's 100% funnel.
Yep.
I can't close my door. Okay, that looks really suspicious.
Oh yeah. Right there. Might be something. Definitely. He's on weatherwise. I don't know what his
Is that Vince?
No, Vince, he kept following this road.
Oh, this road that we're on?
No.
Oh, funnel. A tornado. Tornado on the ground. Rope tornado on the ground. Wow, look at this thing. Rope tornado.
There goes Vince. Look at that.
Rope tornado.
Wow. Have to go for it.
No, there's...
No, that's way too close. Maybe after this car right here. No, we're gonna wait for that guy.
Yeah, wait for that guy and then go.
Yep.
I had to do that.
Yep.
Hello everyone, this is Storm Chaser Drew Brown. We got a beautiful shelf cloud that is just west of Davenport, Iowa, and that's with the squall lines blasting east. We have severe winds up to 60 miles per hour and maybe even quarter-size hail occasionally with this cell. Once again, very beautiful shelf cloud, a beautiful whale's mouth too underneath this line of storms that's currently moving off to the northeast nearby Davenport, Iowa as we speak. Getting pounded. Sheesh.
Nice.
Hello everyone, this is Storm Chaser Drew Brown. Right now I'm just south of Ottawa, Illinois. We have another shelf cloud that's rushing to the east in northern central Illinois as we speak. Damaging winds will be the main concern. Maybe some large hail. Trail threat is very low with this. Once again, fast moving shelf cloud. Line up for lightning as well with this, so make sure you're staying weather aware as this squall line moves off to the east.
Yep, I got that on video.
Capture. Oh, another ball.
Man.